Hi, this is NSG, and we are continuing with the ancient history, Lucent GK, महाजनपद पीरियड। इससे पहले हम लोगों ने लेटर वैदिक पीरियड तक किया, जिसमें पी जब जी डब्ल्यू कल्चर, ये भी क्वेश्चन अपियर हो सकता है। ये सब पेंटाग्राफ कल्चर जनरली पूछते हैं, ये यूपीएससी का आदत है। नाउ कंटिन्यूइंग विद द महाजनपद पीरियड, टाइम फ्रेम टू बी रिमेम्बर्ड 600 to 325 BC। धीरे हम लोग आगे जा रहे हैं। अंग, डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ मुंगेर, भागलपुर, बिहार। चंपा एंड चंपानगरी, मगध, डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ पटना, गया, नालंदा इन बिहार। ग्रीव राज, राजगृह, राजगीर, बिंबिसार। पाटलिपुत्र, उज्जैन, वैशाली, शिशुनाग एंड पाटलिपुत्र, कालाशोका। ये क्या है? इन्होंने इसे कैपिटल बनाया जब वो मगध के राजा थे। वज्जी, डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ मुजफ्फरपुर एंड वैशाली इन बिहार। विदेहा, मिथिला, वैशाली। वैशाली टुडे हाजीपुर with headquarter। मिथिला, सीतामढ़ी, दरभंगा बेल्ट, सहरसा, विदेहा चेक करना होगा। माला, डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ देवरिया, बस्ती, गोरखपुर एंड सिद्धार्थनगर इन यूपी। दिस इज रिलेटेड विथ बुद्धा। कुशीनारा एंड पावा, काशी, डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ वाराणसी इन यूपी, वाराणसी। कोसाला, डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ फैजाबाद, गोंडा, बहराइच इन यूपी, नॉर्थ कौशल, सरस्वती, साहित, माहित, साउथ कौशल, साकेत, अयोध्या, कोशाला। वत्स, डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ Allahabad and Mirzapur in UP, Kaushambi was the capital. चेदी, बुंदेलखंड area, शक्तिमती और सोतवती। कुरु, very famous इंद्रप्रस्थ, modern Delhi. पंचाला, very famous रोहिलखंड, western UP, north पंचाल, एत्रिया, south पंचाल, काम्पिल्या। शूरसेना, ब्रजमंडल, मथुरा। मत्स्या, विराटनगर, this was in Bharatpur and Jaipur in Rajasthan, Alwar. अवंती, मालवा, नॉर्थ अवंती, उज्जैनी, साउथ अवंती, माहिस्मती। अश्माक, Ashmaka, between the rivers of Narmada and Godavari. This down south, only Mahajanpat to be found. Potana, Patali, Gandhara, western part important. We can relate it to Mahabharata time. Western part of Pakistan, Afghanistan. Taxila, near Rawalpindi, Pakistan, and इसी तक्षशिला में कौन पढ़ाते थे? कौटिल्य। सो कौटिल्य नालंदा में नहीं पढ़ाते थे, एनएसजी जो ये एनएसजी है यहाँ नहीं पढ़ाते, कौटिल्य तक्षशिला में पढ़ाते थे। और ये 71 बीपीएससी प्रीलिम्स का क्वेश्चन भी है कि हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग आर नॉट रिलेटेड टू नालंदा स्टडी ग्रुप? नो, नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी तो कौटिल्य, बिकॉज कौटिल्य यूज्ड टू टीच इन तक्षशिला। Last but not the least, Kamboj, Hazara district of Pakistan. Rajpur, Hataka, Kamboja. So now Buddhist literature, Anguttara Nikaya, Mahavastu, and Jain literature, Bhagavati Sutta, present a list of 16 Mahajanpad, that is great states with the minor variation of name. दो तीन बार देखने से ये सब चीज माइंड में अपने आप इम्प्रिंट हो जाएगा। अंगुत्तरा निकाया एंड आफ्टर ये सब होने के बाद जब लोग मॉक लगाते हैं तो ये सब चीज सॉलिड इम्प्रिंट होने वाला है दिमाग में। सो देयर वर टू टाइप्स ऑफ स्टेट, मोनार्किकल स्टेट्स एंड नॉन मोनार्किकल रिपब्लिकन। एंड मोनार्की स्टेट्स लाइक अंग, मगध, काशी, कोसाला, वत्स, चेदी, सूरसेना, मत्स्य, अवंती एंड गंधारा। एंड रिपब्लिकन स्टेट्स, यहाँ से क्वेश्चन वेरी फेमस जीके क्वेश्चंस, माला, वज्जी, माला, कुरु, पंचाल, कंबोजा, शाक्य, कपिलवस्तु, कोइल्याज, रामगढ़ एंड मौर्य, ये सब था। Now, rise of Magad. Why? The political history of India from 6th century BC onward is the history of the struggle between four states, Magad, Koshala, Vats, and Avanti, for the supremacy. Ultimately, the kingdom of Magad emerged to be most powerful and won and succeeded in founding empire. Reasons for Magad's success, various reasons है। Magad enjoys the advantageous geographical position. सबसे पहले geographical position, age of iron because richest iron deposits were situated not far from the Rajgir, earliest capital of Magad, and could be used for making weapons and implements. Iron axes, perhaps used in clearing thick forest, and iron tip plowshare plowed and land better helping increase the grain production. Magadha lay the center of the Middle Gangetic Plain. The alluvium, once cleared from the jungle, proved immense fertile and food surplus was thus available. Magad enjoyed a special advantage in military organization. Although the Indian states were well acquainted with the use of horses and chariot, it was Magad which first used elephant on large scale in war against its neighbor. Now coming to Haryank dynasty, this is the time period 544 BC. Bimbisara, Shro, Shronika, ये नाम याद रखना है. Shronika, who was called Shronika? Bimbisara. He was the founder of Haryank dynasty. Magad became prominence under the leaders of Bimbisara. Contemporary of Gautam Buddha, he married the Princess Kosala Devi, Mahakoshala, sister of Kosala King Prasenjit, Lichvi, Chelana, sister of Lichvi, Hage Chetaka, and the mother, daughter of Madra King, which helped him in his expansionist policy. He gained a part of Kasi as a dowry in his marriage with the sister of King Prasenjit of Kosala. He conquered Anga. Who conquered Anga? Anga Bimbisara. Mainly people remember Ang with Karna, but actual the conqueror of Ang was Bimbisara, the who was the founder of Magad, was the founder of Haryank dynasty. He sent a royal physician GV, very famous, Ujjain when the Avanti Pradyota was the suffered by jaundice. The CD PO BPSC 2018. Known as Shenia, he was the first Indian king who had regular standing army. देखिए अब यहाँ पे regular army appear होने लगा. He built the city of New Rajgriha. Now coming to Kunika. Kunika कौन है Kunika? अजातशत्रु. 492 460 Bimbisar was succeeded by his son Ajatasattu, who killed his father and seized the throne. Ajatasattu followed a more aggressive policy, gained complete control over Kasi, and broke the earlier amicable relation by attacking his maternal uncle Prasenjit, the king of Koshala. The Vajji confederation was Ajatasattu's next target of attack. This war was a lengthy one, and traditional tell us that after a long period of 16 years, he was able to defeat the Vajji only through deceit, chalaki se, by sowing the seeds of discord amongst the people of Vajji. Three things that played important role to defeat the Vajji is Sunidha and Vatsakar. Ajatasattu diplomatic minister who sowed the seeds of the discord among Vajjis. Rath Mushala, the kind of chariot to which a mace was attached, and Mahasila Kantaka, a war engine which catapulted big stones. तो ये जो बाहुबली मूवी में दिखा रहा था ऐसे ऐसे फेंक रहा है वो बाहर, तो चैरियट में ही ये लोग सारा पावर रखते थे. सी इन एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री यहाँ भी अपियर हो रहा है कि जो लोग टेक्नोलॉजिकली एडवांस है वही आगे जा रहे हैं, जो टेक्नोलॉजी का अच्छे से यूज कर पा रहे हैं एग्जिस्टिंग टाइम में, दीज पीपल आर अहेड ऑफ अदर. So this is a great learning from our ancient history. Make great use of technology what you have in current time. होता सबके पास है, लोग एफर्ट नहीं डालते हैं. In this way, the Kasi and Vaisali, the capital of Vajji, were added to Magad and making it the most powerful territorial power in the Ganga Valley. He built the fort of Rajgriha and watch fort Jal Durga at a village called Patali on the banks of Ganga. Now coming to Udyan, he was also very famous because he made Patliputra his capital. So Ajasattu was succeeded by his son Udyan. Reign is important because he laid the foundation of the city of Patliputra. See, at the confluence of Son and Ganga, and he shifted the capital from Rajgriha to Patliputra. Udyan was succeeded by Anuradha Munda Nagdasak. He was the last sign, I think, respectively, who all were weak and parasites. I don't know the meaning of this. Sisunag dynasty 412-344, Nagdashak was the unworthy to rule, so the people got disgusted and elected Susunag as the king, minister of the last king. The most important achievement of Sisunaga was the destruction of the Pradutya dynasty of Avanti. खत्म कर दिया. They brought to an end to the 100 years old rivalry between Magad and Avanti. From then on, Avanti became part of the Magad. So this was the most credited thing to this dynasty, Sisunaga dynasty. HSN MSK ये 70 में भी आया, 71 में भी आया. So remember this HSN MSK chronology of dynasty. Haryang, Sisunag, Nanda, Maurya, Shunga, Kanva, and later on Kushana. The Shishunag was succeeded by Kalasoka, Kakavarna. His reign is important because he conveyed the second Buddhist council in Vaisali 383. Nanda dynasty 344-323 BC. This Shishunag dynasty was overthrown by Mahapadmananda, who established a line of new line of kings known as Nandas. Mahapadma is known as Sharva Trantak, the putter of all Kshatriyas, Purana, and Ugrasen, that is owner of the huge army. Ugrasen याद है पुलिस को कहा जाता है उग्र, लेटर वैदिक पीरियड में उग्रसेना, तो उग्र पुलिस का ही ओनर ऑफ द ह्यूज आर्मी. द पुराणास कॉल्ड महाजनपद एकरथ. सो द पुराणास ऑफ ऑल कॉल महापद्मनंदा एकरथ. ये यहाँ से भी पेपर में आता है. एकरथ किसे कहा जाता है? द सोल मोनार्क. He seems to have overthrown all the dynasties which ruled at the time of Sisunaga. He is often described as the first empire builder of Indian history. This is very important. Mahapadma was succeeded by his eighth son. Dhananand was the last one. ये एग्जाम आता है कि जब अलेक्जेंडर अटैक कर रहे थे इंडिया पे, तो उस समय यहाँ का रूलर कौन था? तो वो था धनानंद. और इनके स्टैंडिंग आर्मी के बारे में सुनकर उनके आर्मी डर चुके थे, क्योंकि they used to have elephants, large cavalry. तो वो लोग डर रहे थे इधर आने में. लास्ट किंग धनानंद is possibly identical with Agramis or Gendrenes. It's not visible clearly here, but for the Greek test, तो ये सब appear हो सकता. ये लाइन सब important है जहाँ से क्वेश्चन फ्रेम किया जाता है. It was during the rule of Dhananand that the invasion of Alexander took place. ये जो मैं थोड़ी देर पहले बोल रहा था, नॉर्थ वेस्ट इंडिया 326. According to Greek writer Curtius, Dhananand commanded a huge army, 20,000 cavalry, 12 lakh infantry, 2,000 chariots, 3,000 elephants. यही सुन के डर चुके थे अलेक्जेंडर के आर्मी. It was the might of Dhananand that terrorized Alexander and stopped his march to the Gangetic Valley. Terrorized. See this word, terrorized. आतंक मचा दिया था ये वर्ड. The Nalanda dynasty came to an end about 322 and 21 BC and was supplanted by another dynasty known as Mauryas, with Chandragupta Maurya as the founder. फॉरेन इन्वेजन देख लेते हैं. Iranian Persian invasion, Darius invasion 518 BC. The Achaemenian rulers of Iran, Persia, who expanded their empire at the same time as the Maghdan prince, took the advantage of political disunity of the northwest frontier of India. The Achaemenian ruler Darius I, Darya Bhau, penetrated into northwest India by 118 BC and annexed Punjab, West Indus, and Sindh. This area constituted 20th province Satrapy of Iran, the total number of provinces in Iranian Empire being 28. This province was the most fertile area of the Iranian Empire. From this province, the empire received 360 talent gold as revenue. The Indo-Iranian contact lasted for 200 years. Effect क्या होता है? Gave an impetus to the Indian-Iranian trade and commerce. Through the Iranian, the Greeks came to know about the great wealth of the. ये इन्हीं की वजह से ये लोग, ठीक है, एंड इवेंचुअली द अलेक्जेंडर इन्वेजन ऑफ इंडिया. तो ये इनकी वजह से ये इनको पता चला और ये आए. तो कौन है ये? अलेक्जेंडर इन्वेजन ऑफ इंडिया. ठीक है. अब आते हैं द इरानियन स्क्राइब्स ब्राउज इंडिया फ्रॉम writing which is known to be as Kharosti script was written from left to right to left like Arabic, जो कि मौर्य अशोका के पिलर पे इंस्क्रिप्शन मिलता है. The Iranian influence on the modern sculptures is clearly perceptible, especially in the well-shaped capitals. Iranian influence may also be traced in the preamble of Ashoka, जो मैं बोल रहा था अभी. Ashoka edicts as well as in certain words used in them. Kharosti. Now, Macedonian invasion, Alexander's invasion 326 BC. ये पीरियड याद रखना चाहिए. किस साल इन्वेजन हुआ? 326. In the 4th century BC, the Greeks and the Iranians fought for the supremacy of the world under the leaders of Alexander and Macedonia. The Great finally destroyed the Iranian Empire. Alexander succeeded his father Philip to the throne of Macedonia. He was then only 20 years of age. From this very childhood, he used to dream of world conquest. He quickly conquered many areas. As a preliminary step to conquer India, the Kabul Valley and the hilly areas of northwest frontier were conquered. He reached Ohind near Attock in 326 BC. The ruler of Taxila and Avishara submitted, but Porus Puru refused to do. यही पोरस है. Battle of Hydaspes. Alexander then crossed the Jhelum by a trick. Jhelum cross करता है. Porus was defeated in the battle and that followed, but Alexander treated him very generously for his bravery. तो यहाँ से क्या सीखने को मिलता है कि अगर लड़ाई हो रहा है तो अगर हार जाते हो तो मैदान छोड़ने से अच्छा है कि आप अपना ब्रेवरी दिखाई. हो सकता है कि ये ब्रेवरी आपको रिवार्ड करे इन अनदर वे. सो ऑलवेज शो करेज, ब्रेवरी. जहाँ सब हट जाए वहाँ अगर हारने वाले हो तब भी लड़ाई के पीछे जाना चाहिए. बैटल ऑफ वितास्ता, मॉडर्न झेलम, ग्रीक हाइदरपेसिस. तो ये झेलम पे लड़ाई हुआ था. बैटल पोरस का किस रिवर पे हुआ? नॉट रावी, नॉट ये, दैट वाज झेलम. झेलम पे लड़ाई हुआ पोरस के साथ. झेलम 2 बार सुनिए. झेलम, झेलम, बैटल ऑफ वितास्ता, मॉडर्न डे झेलम, ग्रीक हाइडरपेसिस. 306 अभिसारा सबमिटेड बट. तो सबमिट कौन कर दिया ये भी क्वेश्चन बन सकता है. अभिसारा, अभिसारा सबमिट. दिस वाज हाउ द इंडियन वर defeated because of their disunity. तो हमेशा से डिसयूनिटी देखा गया है इंडियन अमंग इंडियंस. आफ्टर ब्रिलियंट विक्ट्री ऑफ Sakala, the Greek forces reached the Beas. Alexander had to return from this place as his soldiers refused to go any further. The Battle of Jhelum and Sakala had opened their eyes and they were afraid of the great Magadhan Empire across the Beas. After making administrative arrangement for the conquered territory, Alexander marched back in September 326. He reached Babylon in 323 BC and he died at the age of 33. Very, I would say, tender age. 33 is very in comparison to what is 80 and 33 बहुत कम एज है. Effect of Alexander invasion of by opening up both land and sea routes, but in between India and Europe, it brought both them closer to each other. Indirectly, this invasion made possible the establishment of Indo-Bactrian and Indo-Parthian states, which at a later stage considerably influenced Indians' architecture, Gandhara school of uh, sculptures, astronomy, coinage, etc. The invasion opened the eyes of Indian politicians to necessity of creating a unified empire. The date of invasion of Alexander is the first reliable date in early Indian history and considerably help us in solving chronological difficulties. So thank you. वीडियो थोड़ा लंबा हो गया पर 2-3 बार रिवीजन करने से दिस विल ग्रेटली हेल्प इन मेंस. आई वुड से मेंस में इसका वेटेज ज़्यादा हो सकता है. थैंक यू.